Let us see the next question. On the basis of the figures given in the question that we did previously, calculate CV, coefficient of variation of year 1 cash flow. So we are required to find the CV, coefficient of variation of year 1 cash flow for the project A and for project B. Now friends, the new point that we are going to understand is calculation of the CV, coefficient of variation. Now first of all, I am giving you explanation that what does CV indicates. As far as the CV is concerned, CV is measuring, let me explain you first of all, don't write anything, measuring risk for every 1 unit of return. CV is measuring risk for every 1 unit of return. That is what we understand. So here I am giving explanation for first of all A project. So as far as the A project is concerned, cash flows and standard deviation. We can see that the cash flow is 11,200 and standard deviation is 1326.65. What did I say? I repeat that. Coefficient of variation is measuring risk for every 1 unit of return. So what is the risk for every 1 unit of return? That is the question. So we understand that it is 1326.65 into 1. That does not make a sense. Let us ignore it. Divided by 11,200. This is the way the answer is calculated. So here 1326.65 upon 11,200. That comes to 0.1125. So you have to take a risk of 0.1125, 1185 for every 1 rupee of the cash flow. That is what the CV is indicating for project A. Similarly, we can do for project B. And of course, based on the CV criteria, if at all we have to accept the project, then the project which is having lower CV will be accepted. This is the way we are required to take the decision based on CV, if at all we have been asked to take decision based on CV. Please write down answer. Heading right down, coefficient of variation. In bracket write down CV. In the write down, CV is measuring risk for every 1 unit of return. Full stop. Higher the CV, comma, risk is more and vice versa. Full stop. If at all we have to accept the project based on CV, comma, project having lower CV will be accepted. Full stop. The written answer, CV is calculated as risk upon return, that is standard deviation divided by x bar. This is the formula that we have. It will be calculated for both the projects, project A and project B. Standard deviation is 1326.65 divided by 11,200. 1326.65 divided by 11,200. Answer is 0.1185. As far as the B project is concerned, it is 4054.63 and this is 15,400. So 4054.63 divided by 15,400. So 0.2633. So friends, over here you can definitely understand that, say suppose the question asks us to compute the CV, then you have to make the computation of the mean value, you have to compute the variance, you have to compute the standard deviation, and then finally you can make this calculation. All these calculations are required to be made from examination point of view. So of course over here we have got the ready-made data, so doing this answer is very simple for us. So over here the question is over. However, if at all we have to take a decision based on the CV criteria, then project A would be accepted. That is only for understanding purpose.